How to buy Spurdo Spärde token. So this token came under the symbol of Spurdo. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on CoinGecko. Now, to be able to buy this token, just scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, you'll be able to find contracts here. Now, as you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now, click here to copy the token address and open your BITGET wallet for that. Now, go to your wallet and from the top right corner, make sure to select the Solana network, and after that, click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, this is our token. Now, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now, go back and make sure to search for your token that you just added called Spurdo. Now, after you find it, now click on it. After that, click on swap. Now, make sure to switch it from here, and from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and now you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive. And after that, click here on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Spurdo token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.